Hey friends, if you are a realtor, if you are a real estate agent, or if you are a real estate broker, then this video is for you. I know in this post-COVID world, most of the real estate agents are facing big problems. What is your biggest problem? I'll be listing out 5 of those problems, and if your problem matches with the problems that I list, tell me in the comments below and I will be coming up with the next video and have a solution to your problem. So what these problems are, what these problems possibly are for you. Number 1 is that you are not having enough listings. Is this your problem? Tell me in the comments. Number 2, is your lead cost very high in comparison to the conversion ratio that you are having? Is this a problem? Number 3, you are not having an established sales process and you are really crazy about it. Number 4, dealing with tons and tons of rejections. And number 5, you are not able to leverage technology. Well, if these are your problems, tell me in the comments below and I'll be helping you find a solution to all your problems. I'm waiting for your comments. What are you waiting for? Share with me your problems and I will come back with my solutions.